Okay, I just pulled off Lillooet, a hotspot for biodiversity in BC. This beautiful lake here. And it's dusk. And the animals are coming out. And there's a train. That's what caught my eye. I had to turn off. It's like a little model train. But it's not a model train. That is so cool. Wow. Can't believe I caught that. What is that? It's like a bus. Yeah, it is a bus. Check it out. There's a school bus on the tracks, folks. That is friggin' amazing. And this massive mountain right next to it. That is so cool. Wow, I gotta come back here in the day. It's too bad I can't get up higher. What a beautiful spot. Look at the lake. Wow. That's friggin' nice here. Wow, look at that van. Badass. That looks great. I love that van. If I turn around and see this van, I get such a good feeling. I'm like, God, I love this van. I love it. It's bringing me so much joy. You know? Well, you know,